Yeah, remove the screws both sides, here, other side, and here, and the bolts here. Push it back a little bit. I should have taken this whole thing out, but it's okay now. So then I have access to the back here, and at the back you will find this too. First this, and like this and this, and hold it with this one while holding it here at the back with this. At the front I'm using this nut, 14mm. This wrench, you need a big wrench. A small one, this would break. This cannot do the job. And now that and this side is the same. We have this. That's how it looks like. As you can see, while I'm turning, the wheel doesn't turn, so they're not connected anymore. And just do like this while you just wiggle it upward, like this. That's how you, when you wiggle it upwards, careful with the cables and stuff. I shouldn't leave it like this because cables can get damaged, but I just wanted to show you guys. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. So now it connects here. That's how it looks like. There's a special tool comes here. So you can see this small. Here, one here, 4. If you want to remove this. So there's two parts. This one and then this one. This one is quite easy. I don't have any special tools. I'm just using this massive wrench. It's quite big. So I just put it here. Always anti-clockwise, loosening it. So put it here. I put one leg here because while I'm pushing the wheel with my leg, I'm pulling this way. And now it's coming. I already loosened it up. So once again, this is loosening. It's coming. Now that it's loose, I can use a smaller tool. This one is perfect for the job. So once again, you don't need a special tool for this. If it's I'm lucky I didn't need to use anything else, but you might consider to use boiling hot water. Just put it here, or a hair dryer. It should do the trick. Not always, but it's worth a try. I have removed this. There's a washer, comes off easily. Make sure that you put back everything the right direction. There's a small piece of metal here. Try to focus in. I don't know if you can see it. Brown, it's here. What goes here? You can see. So this small metal. Now all is left is to remove this. Once again, this goes anti-clockwise as well. Just take a small piece of metal, anything what can go into. There's 4. So I chose this piece of metal. I put it here. Between this and this, just put some material so you can reduce the chance of damage. So first this, then this. then this, and then just tap with a hammer at the end, gently, very very gently, very slowly. You can break this, so be careful. We'll use this as a hammer as well. I tapped, now it's loose. You can see it's coming off. I can remove this. It's a bit rusted. Moving this, I have this. This was a bit difficult to get out. There's no rivet on it, but still it was a bit stuck, so you can just go under it with a screwdriver or with this. So tie and push it, like don't just push it one side, go push it here, go under it, and then the other side. Slowly but surely it's gonna come up. Looks like this is the top part. It goes like this. These were the balls, the bearings. Under this, there's bearings, as you can see. There's no way you can take it out without a screw, so I just use a screwdriver. That's it, it's out. Looks like it sits like this. Okay, now that I took out everything, this can be removed. The fork can be removed from the frame. So that's the order. First this, then this one. This doesn't have any rivet. Then this, then this, and then the top of it, this. That's it. Take out the fork. There's no need to remove the wheel. I mean, you can if you want, but only two things needs to be removed. This one, this is what measures the speed. Just have to push it here with a screwdriver, and then it pops right out. And these two bolts, one here and one here, so I can remove the brake. That's it, that's all. This is a 12 millimeter socket. Two more things. Have to remove the brake line from the fork. So 10 millimeter socket you need. One is here and one is here. That's it. Put stone under the side stand. Put a big stone under here. And while you are pushing it onto the side stand, you can take out the fork. I managed to take it out. I didn't even had to remove the brake from the rotor, so that's how it looks like. Looks pretty, yeah, a bit dirty, but yeah, the top bearing is significantly smaller than the bottom one, as you can see. Yeah, big difference. Yeah, I clean it up, so that's all. At the bottom part there's nothing, there's only this. To remove this one is very difficult. You have to use loads of force, maybe even cut into it in some cases, but this is alright, I don't need to remove it, I'm just saying. So it's only the bearings this way, like this way. That's it, that's all it you need to put on at the bottom, nothing else.